Hello, amazing learners. Welcome, welcome to our Phonics adventure. Are you ready to become sound detectives today? Because in today's lesson, we are going to listen, repeat, and discover the magic of letter sounds. Children, get your voices ready, sit up straight, and let's warm up together. We are going to speak clearly, listen carefully, and have lots of fun as we learn step by step. Remember, every great reader starts with sounds, and today you're going to take that big first step. Children, today we are learning the first six sounds on Group 1 Phonics. Children, get ready. Get your writing material, color pencil, a pen, or a pencil. Let's begin. Children, you're going to listen carefully, watch my mouth, and repeat after me. Children, our first sound is S, like a snake. S. Well done. Let's go to the next sound. The second sound is ah, 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 like an apple. Excellent. The third sound is t, 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 like a ticking clock. Good job, children. The fourth sound is like popping paper. Amazing, children. And the fifth sound is E, 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 like a little insect. Super, children. And the last sound, which is the sixth sound, is like a nose. Like a nose. Fantastic work, learners. You have just learned your first six phonic sounds. Children, now let's venture into the first sound. Children, our first sound is S. Listen carefully. S. This is the sound S, like a snake. Remember, children, a snake makes a hissing sound, a soft hissing sound. S. Children, now let's say it together. Are you ready? S. Very good. Can you try it louder this time? S. Excellent work. Now I want you to join me singing this song. The snake is in the grass, the snake is in the grass. Sss, sss, the snake is in the grass. Remember, children, to wiggle your hand the way the snake moves, making a soft hissing sound. Sss. Children, let's say it together. Sss. Very good. Excellent, children. Keep practicing this sound because it helps us to read many, many words. Great work, learners. Now let's move on and look at pictures with S sound. Remember, the sound is S. Children, let's say it together again. S. Now look at these pictures carefully, children. We have snowman, sheep, sun, shop, socks, a snake, sandwich, sheep, and a strawberry. Children, can you hear the sound in all these words? Now let's try together. Snowman, sun, shop, socks, snake, sandwich, sheep, strawberry. Fantastic work, learners. Children, keep listening for the sound everywhere you go. Children, look at this picture. What is this? Hmm. Yes, it's a snake. Children, let's say the sound it makes. Are you ready? Snake. Snake. Children, remember, snake starts with the sound. Let's say it together again. Snake. Children, look at this picture. What can you see? Hmm. Yes, it's the sun. Children, now let's say the sound at the beginning. Sun. Very good. The word sun starts with the sound. Children, let's say it together. Sun. Excellent work, children. What can you see, children? Hmm. Yes, these are socks. Let's listen to the beginning sound. Socks. Well done. The word socks start with the sound. Let's say it together. Socks. Great job, children. Children, look at the picture. What can you see? Yes, it is a sandwich. Let's listen carefully to the beginning sound. Sandwich. Very good. Children, sandwich starts with a sound. Let's say it together. Sandwich. Excellent work, children. Look at the picture. What can you see? Hmm. Yes, it is a snowman. Let's listen carefully to the beginning sound. Snowman. Very good. Snowman starts with sound. Children, let's say it together. Snowman. Well done, children. Look at the picture. What can you see? Yes, it is a snail. Children, let's listen carefully to the beginning sound. Snail. Very good. Snail starts with the sound. Let's say it together, children. Snail. Excellent work, children. Look carefully. What can you see? Hmm. Yes, it is a spider. Let's listen carefully to the beginning sound. Spider. Very good. Spider starts with the sound. Let's say it together, children. Spider. Good job. Great job, learners. Now let's learn how to write the sound S. Look carefully at the dotted lines on your slide. We start at the top. We move in a smooth curve following the dots. Watch me. We go round and down like a little snake following the dotted line. Then we curve back again to finish at letter S. Children, are you ready? Let's try it together. Children, we're going to start at the top of the dotted line. Slowly follow the curve. Yeah, slowly you're going to follow the curve. Round and round and round and round, and then you stop. Very good. Children, we'll start at the dotted line. Let's go round and round and round and round until we stop. This is sound. Excellent work. Children, now it's story time. Sit back, listen carefully, and get ready for a fun learning story. In today's story, we are going to listen for our sound and enjoy it. It appears in different words. Children, let's begin. Children, our story today is fun and exciting. Our story is called Sam the Super Snake. Sam the Super Snake. Sit nicely, listen carefully, and get ready to hear lots of sound and words in our story. Are you ready? Let's begin. Sam is sleeping in the sun. Sam is sleeping in the sun. Listen carefully. Sun. Sam, the super snake, is resting and feeling warm in the sunshine. He is sleeping peacefully under the bright sun. Sam is sleeping in the sun. Suddenly, Sam wakes up. He stretches slowly and looks around. Sam is awake. Sam wakes up. Sam the super snake has just woken up from his sleep in the sun. He's ready for a fun day. Sam slithers in the sand. Sam slithers in the sand. Listen carefully. Sand. Sam the super snake slowly moves and slides in the soft sand. He is slithering smoothly. Well done, learners. Sam is enjoying his day. Sam meets new friends. First, he meets a snail. Snail. Hello, snail. Then Sam sees a spider. Spider. Hello, spider. Sam is very happy to meet his new friends in the sunny sand. They all enjoy the day together. Thank you so much for listening to this story. Sam the Snake. Now it's reading time. Get ready, children. We are going to read words from our story together and enjoy every word carefully. Children, listen closely and follow along as you read the words. Let's begin. Children, let's read our words together. Let's read carefully. Get ready to listen, repeat, and say the sounds clearly. Sun, sun. Repeat after me. Sun. Good job. Spoon. Repeat after me. Spoon. Wonderful. Stone. Stone. Repeat after me. Stone. Great job. Spider. Spider. Repeat after me. Spider. Great job. Snake. Snake. Can you say it aloud? Snake. Good job. Excellent job reading, children. Remember, we can hear the sound s in all these words. Children, that brings us to the end of our today's lesson. Great job, learners. You did an amazing job learning the sound and reading together. Thank you so much for listening and learning with me. Don't forget to practice your sounds at home so you become a strong reader. And if you enjoyed this lesson, please like and share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more learning videos. See you in the next lesson. Bye.